Pretty, huh? Whoa. Hang on, Momo. You're really into it tonight. Best seat in the house. Alright, movie's over. Let's get some sleep, huh? Good night, Cozy Corner. We are Sunshine. You get the best seat while I change, okay? What do you think? Looks inviting, huh? I'm going in. Keep watch for me. Okay, here we go. See? Not so scary. I'm right here if you change your mind, brave boy. See? Just like a little boat. You're a natural swimmer. Let's just float for a while, hmm?
Alright, Jerry, happy?
Let's get you warm, huh?
There we go. Comfy now?
You're such a little sun lover.